Since late September, our COVID hospitalizations in the region have gone up 112%. And with the White House Coronavirus Task Force and Governor Hutchinson calling out Northeast Arkansas for the spike, community leaders and officials are now urging the public to take precautions or else it will get worse.
But we've seen a dramatic increase over the past probably 10 to 14 days, as this graph will show, in our hospitalizations.
Dr. Spite showed evidence 4 weeks after the mask mandate was implemented. Our cases went down, with a slight rise when school restarted, with hopes it would decrease after. Unfortunately, our case count didn't. Craighead County's daily average count is 57 new cases per day. St. Bernard's CEO Chris Barber gave a strong warning to the public about the rise in hospitalizations, as local hospitals have treated over 1,350 COVID patients.
But I want to be very candid with the group this morning. We cannot continue the trend that we're seeing right now. We cannot have consecutive months going into this winter time period with 112% increase in COVID hospitalizations. At some point in time, you can only flex so much, you can only stretch so much. So we are putting everyone on notice. We don't have a major issue today, but if we continue this trend, we will have real problems in our community in the near future.
Barber and NEA Baptist CEO Sam Lind said they are prepared for the increase, but say there shouldn't be a rise in cases if people followed the guidelines. So far, no super spreader events have been identified in Jonesboro, with most cases coming from the community or small gatherings. Dr. Spites also explained how important it is to wear a mask.
The problem is and people don't understand is, we've got a significant portion, anywhere from 20 to 40%, depending on which study you read, of individuals who are sick and don't know it, and who are spreading it and don't know it. And so you're spreading it into individuals who may have a bad outcome. And so this is it's an individual decision that affects the community. And so the mask wearing is something that an individual can take that makes a positive difference in their community in terms of viral spread.
Now, overall, each panelist is really asking the public to take those precautions, including wearing a mask and washing your hands. Now, the Department of Health will host a drive-through COVID testing clinic on Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. For Northeast Arkansas News, I am Sarah Doan in Jonesboro.